A lot of people believe you can build a portfolio with SCHD and eventually have it pay your mortgage. And on the surface, that sounds simple. Buy the ETF, collect dividends, cover your bills. But when you actually run the numbers, the answer is either really exciting or a little bit uncomfortable. And today we're going to find out which one it is. My name is Steve, and today we're going to answer a question a lot of people have but actually never do the math on. Can SCHD replace a real expense like a mortgage? Before we jump to the big number, I want to show you where this path actually begins, because most people are already further along than they realize. Since January 1st, 2024, I've been investing $5 a day into SCHD, not in a calculator, not hypothetically, real money every single day. As of today, I own 157 shares. My account is worth about $4,792, and I've collected about $199 in dividends. All of them have been reinvested. Now, that might not sound like much, but this is exactly where the path starts. So the question isn't whether it works. The question is, how far can it go? Right now, SCHD pays about $1.06 per share in dividends with a yield around 3.5%. But here's why a lot of investors get excited about it. Historically, those dividends have grown at an average of roughly 8 to 11% per year over the past decade. That dividend growth is a game changer. It means the income from the same number of shares can rise steadily over time, helping your portfolio fight inflation and eventually cover bigger expenses without you having to buy a single additional share. So if you own enough shares and give it enough time, those growing dividend payments can start replacing real monthly bills. But before we jump to something as big as a mortgage, we need to test this idea on something smaller first. Let's start with something most people can relate to. Say you want SCHD to cover a $600 per month car payment. That's $7,200 per year coming out of your pocket. Now here's the question. How many shares would it actually take to cover that? You'd need about 6,800 shares, which is roughly a $200,000 portfolio. And this is where something starts to shift, because now we're not just talking about investing anymore. We're talking about replacing a real bill with a real portfolio. And if that's what it takes for a car payment, what happens when we scale this up to something much bigger? Now let's talk about the one everyone actually wants to know about, the mortgage. And I know these numbers look different for everyone right now. Some people locked in low rates a few years ago. Others are dealing with significantly higher payments today. Personally, I'm very fortunate to be on the lower side. But for this to mean anything, we need a number we can all work with. So let's use $2,200 per month. That's $26,400 per year. Now let's do the math. To have SCHD cover that payment, you need about 25,000 shares, which means roughly $750,000 invested. That's $750,000 just to make your mortgage payment disappear. Let that land, because this is the part most people never actually see. The idea sounds simple. The reality is a different story. So now the real question becomes, how do you actually get there? Let's go back to where I started and a place where most people can actually afford to start. $5 a day. That's about $1,825 per year. On its own, that doesn't feel like much, but here's the part that most people don't account for. Dividends that reinvest buy more shares pay more dividends buy even more shares. It compounds on itself. So let's run it out. After 10 years, you're likely somewhere between $28,000 and $32,000. After 20 years, maybe $85,000 to $100,000. And after 30 years, you could be looking at about $215,000 to $260,000 in your account. But here's the honest answer. On its own, $5 a day doesn't get you to $750,000, so nowhere near enough to replace a $2,200 monthly mortgage. And I'm not saying that to discourage you. I'm saying it because what comes next is actually the whole point. The goal of starting small was never to stay small. That $5 a day builds something most people completely underestimate. It builds the habit. It builds consistency. It builds proof to yourself that you can actually do this. And once that's in place, the question stops being, can I afford to invest? It starts being, what happens when I scale this up? Because if life gives you opportunities to add more, a bonus at work, a pay raise, a side income, a tax refund, every time extra money comes in, you have a choice. And throwing even a portion of it at this changes the math dramatically, because $5 becomes 10, 10 becomes 25, 25 becomes whatever you can throw at it. And that's when the math starts working for you instead of against you. But there's one piece most people overlook, and it's the strategy that actually closes the gap. A lot of people expect one ETF to do everything: growth, income, and financial freedom, all from a single ticker. And that's usually where the plan breaks down. Here's the thing, SCHD is incredibly powerful for income. But income alone doesn't build a $750,000 portfolio. You need growth to get there and income to live off of once you arrive. Let me show you the actual foundation I built my own portfolio on. First, a broad market ETF like VTI or VU. This forms the core, giving you wide diversification across the market. Then I have SCHD, which builds the income layer on top. And if you want to add some acceleration, something like QQQM, which is the ETF I use, gives you exposure to the higher growth side of the market. Now your portfolio isn't doing one job, it's doing three. And that's the difference between hoping SCHD gets you to $750,000 and actually building a plan that does. So can SCHD pay your mortgage? Yes, it absolutely can. But the better question is, what are you doing today to actually get there? Because this doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly, consistently over time. The people who get there aren't the ones who found a shortcut. They're the ones who started, stayed consistent, and scaled when they were ready. And if you're starting small, just like I did, you might be a lot closer than you think. And if you want a free one-page SCHD reference sheet, I put together one for you on my Patreon, completely free, no sign-up required. I'll drop the link in the video description below if you want to check that out. And if you want to see exactly how I'm building this in real time, $5 at a time, check out this video right here, and I will see you in the next one.